Hello student, in the last lecture we have seen percentage calculation, stock solutions and their dilutions method. So in this session we will see regarding pharmaceutical dilutions by alligation method, then proof spirit and proof strength, some solved example and exercises. So this is the alcohol dilution method, usually made from 95% alcohol, means 95 parts of ethyl alcohol and 5 parts of water, that is the total 100%. All other dilutions are prepared by mixing with water. On mixing alcohol with water, contraction in volume changes, rise in temperature may observe. So mixture becomes turbid due to the evolution of the air bubble because of less solubility of air in water than the alcohol. Cool to 25 degrees Celsius before adjusting the volume. So these are the general methods actually. So general formula for alcohol dilution is volume of stronger alcohol to be used is equal to volume required multiplied by percentage required divided by percentage used. Already you are knowing this. Volume required multiplied by percentage required divided by percentage used. You will see this example and then you will understand what I want to tell you. So this, prepare 600 ml of 60% alcohol. According to formula, volume of stronger alcohol to be used is equal to volume required. What you required? 600 ml. So 600 in this place, multiply by percentage required. This is, you required 60%. So this is the 60%. Percentage used, mostly 95% alcohol is used. So 600 multiplied by 60 divided by 95, you will get 378.95 ml. So therefore dilute 379 ml of 95% alcohol up to 600 ml with water. The resulting dilution will contain 60% of alcohol. So this is one example. So this is for your exercise. Then you will see weight solutions. In general formula, weight of the stronger acid used is equal to weight required divided by same formula again. So see the example here. Send 200 ml of acetic acid containing 4% of a real acetic acid. The strength of the real acetic acid is 33%. So actually you should know this. The strength of a real acetic acid is 33%. So according to that you have to calculate again. This is the weight required, that is 200 ml multiplied by this 4 divided by this percentage used, that is 33, is equal to 24.2 grams. Therefore weigh 24.2 grams of the real acetic acid and dilute it up to 200 ml with water. The resulting solution will contain 4% of the acetic acid. Okay. So this is for your homework. Send 200 ml of solution of ammonia containing 4% by weight of ammonia. The strong solution of ammonia contain 32.5% weight by volume of ammonia. This is for your key. So this is the standard. So again the same formula you have to apply and you will get the answer like this. Try to solve at home. So alligation method or your favorite method. The name alligation is derived from the Latin word alligatio, meaning the act of attaching. It refers to line drawn during the calculation to blind quantities together, also called the method of rectangle. The rapid means of calculation when a preparation of intermediate strength is desired by mixing two preparations of lower and higher strength respectively. So already we have seen that formula. So you have to calculate like that. Higher strength, lower strength, required strength, that is in parts. Again higher strength minus so this is the actual formula. The known concentration of the preparations are written in the position 1 and 2. Middle is the 0. Already we have seen this. The lower strength is subtracted from the required strength and the result is written at position 4. Again the result obtained at position 3 and 4 gives the part of the respectively of the lower and higher strength to be mixed to give the preparation of the required strength. See this example, then you can understand. Prepare 800 grams of the dilute acetic acid from acetic acid IP. The strength of dilute acetic acid is 6%, while that of the acetic acid is 33%. Already you are knowing that. So this is the given. Dilute acetic acid is prepared by diluting the acetic acid with the water. So see again the formula by allocation method. So here is the highest percentage, that is strength of concentrated solution. This is the strength of the diluted solution. Here it does not contain any acetic acid, therefore it is a 0%. Again 33 minus 6 you will get 27. 6 minus 0 you will get 6%. So 27 parts of the water mixed with 6 parts of the acetic acid IP to prepare total 33 parts of the dilute acetic acid. So the quantity of water required to prepare 800 grams of the dilute acetic acid. Again this is the 800 quantity required multiplied by what is the quantity for water. This is the quantity for water, so you have to go for the section of water, that is 27 part divided by, this is the total part, 27 plus 6 divided, that is 33%. You will get the answer 654.55 grams. Therefore 654.55 grams of water have to be mixed with the 145.45 grams of acetic acid to prepare 800 grams of dilute acetic acid. So again try to solve this also. So if the 4% are given, how you can calculate? So make the pair. So in this case I have taken 70 and 40 pair and 90 and 20 pair. Just read this. Calculate the amount of 90%, 70%, 40% and 20% alcohol would be mixed to get 50% alcohol. We have to prepare 50% alcohol, that is the required section. Then I have take the pair 70, 40 and 90, 20. One can also take 90, 40 and 70, 20 also. So in this case I have taken this 70 and 40 and this 90 and 20. So if 30 parts of 90% of alcohol, 10 parts of the 70% alcohol, 20 parts of the 40% alcohol, 40 parts of the 20% alcohol are mixed to get 100 parts of the 50% alcohol. Very simple. Calculate the volume of each of 80%, 70% and 30% of water required to produce 500 ml of 50% solution. So see, only they have given 3%, that is 80, 70 and 30. One should be bigger than the required, one should be less than the required. So you have to take 30 for 2 times, so that the pair will be prepared as 80, 30, 70, 30. Okay. The next section, that is the proof spirit. The strength of alcohol is expressed in terms of proof spirit and proof strength. The mixture of absolute alcohol and water having specific gravity equal to 0.91976 means a mixture of absolute alcohol and water contain 57.1% weight volume by volume of pure alcohol, which is 100 proof spirit. So you have to remember only this 57.1% volume by volume of pure alcohol, which is 100 proof spirit. Okay. So again there are two types of sum: percentage proof spirit into the percentage alcohol and vice versa, percentage into the proof spirit. For that purpose you have to remember this constant, that is 1.7513. So since 57.1% volume by volume of alcohol is equal to 100 volumes of proof spirit, the 1 volume of alcohol is equal to 1.7513 volume of proof spirit. How this value comes, that I have given this 1 multiplied by this 1 multiplied by 100 divided by this 57.1. You will get 1.7513. So this is the main formula. Proof spirit is equal to percentage strength of alcohol multiplied by 1.7515. So see this example. So before that, one more is there. Percentage strength of volume by volume alcohol is multiplied by 1.7513 will give you the corresponding proof spirit. The proof strength is divided by 1.7513 you will get the percentage strength of an absolute alcohol. The strength above proof strength is considered as the overproof, and the strength below proof strength is expressed as underproof. Overproof you will get plus sign, and for underproof there is a minus sign. So proof strength is equal to percentage strength of alcohol multiplied by 1.7513 minus 100. So this is the main formula. Again see this. Okay, but proof strength is equal to percentage strength of alcohol multiplied by 1.7513 minus 100, and this is in bracket. You have to solve first this bracket and then go for minusing with the 100. See this example. Very simple example. What will be the proof spirit of an elixir containing 40% of alcohol? So percentage strength of alcohol, that is 40%, multiplied by this minus. So only they have required this proof spirit. So therefore percentage strength of alcohol multiplied by 1.7513. Find the strength of 80% of volume by volume alcohol in terms of the proof spirit. So answer is the 40.24 overproof. Okay, overproof means if the reading is more than 100, if the sign is plus, then you have to write the overproof. Okay, so again here is one example. Calculate the real strength of 20 degree overproof and 30 degree underproof and mix to get 50% of alcohol. So 20 degree OP, that is overproof, means 100 plus 20 is equal to 120. 120 divided by 1.7513 is equal to 48.45% volume by volume. Again 20%, 30% UP means you have to minus that from 100. 100 minus 30 is equal to 70. Alcohol strength is equal to 70 divided by 1.7513 is equal to this much percentage. So this is for your exercise. You can do it at home. So in this class we have discussed about the pharmaceutical dilutions, alligation method, proof spirit, and the proof strength of the alcohol. We have solved some examples and I have given some exercises to you also. This is again for your practice. 100 proof spirit means, what is the answer? You have to look all the options. So these are the frequently asked questions. You can refer this question for your practice. Okay, I will stop here now. So again this can be asked. What is proof spirit? What is meant by the absolute alcohol? And do you know the other names of the absolute alcohol? So what is the other name for absolute alcohol? Ethyl alcohol. Okay, likewise we have to solve these questions also. Okay, I will stop here. Thank you for listening me carefully. Okay.